What's up, guys? So I'm just out here in my yard doing a little barbecuing and enjoying my view. Before we get started on today's video, I wanted to invite you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for lots more videos just like this. All right, here we go. So today we have the AeroGarden. It is the slim model, as you can tell by the profile of the box. So this is going to fit right up against your countertop and not bulge out. What's really neat about these is you can kind of think of it as like a indoor robot garden hydroponic thing. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's cool because now that winter time's coming, obviously you can still continue gardening if you want to just use some fresh stuff for your cooking, this and that. And not have to go outside in the freezing cold, and obviously stuff doesn't grow very well in the winter most places, so it's gonna grow year round here. The kit I got comes with 6 pods, so you can grow basil, curry, parsley, dill, mint, thyme, and then Thai basil. There's multiple other ones you can get that grow different things. I've even seen shows on the back. You can even grow like tomatoes and a few other things. Obviously not a whole bunch, but it's kind of neat what you can do with these. And it is all automated, so basically all you do is fill it up with water and then it takes care of the rest. So let's open it up and see what's all in here. Packaging. There it is. I believe these are the pods themselves. Let's open it up and see what's all in here. Scissors. Here you have liquid plant food, basically fertilizer form. Now this is the 6-piece herb kit, and they have other ones obviously, but figured this one would be best for just grabbing a little slice of something, a little leaf here and there, and mix it in with the cooking. This is going to be in the kitchen, so that's where we do most of our cooking, obviously. And here they are. They're just these little spikes that go in there. Like you see, here's the mint one. And you're just gonna set these in the container and they'll grow. So here you have the power plug. We're here in America, so it's the US one. Just a standard wall wart. Not too big, but it's actually got a decent weight to it, so that in itself kind of shows you this is quality. There it is. So it looks like this is adjustable for, you know, the height of everything. Let's see if we can get the full extension shot. It grows actually pretty big. It's got to be pushing a foot from there to there, about 10 inches or so. Now here is the controls for it. You can see it has the little reminder to add plant food right over there, and then here to add water, and then this is a manual light on and off. Now it has automatic lighting that kind of has its own algorithm to figure out what's the proper amount of light everything needs, and that's kind of the perk of this thing. Once you put the pods in, you fill in water, some little liquid fertilizer, kind of just does its own thing after that. You don't have to constantly mend to it, whereas you know, that's a huge perk of all this. Looks like it even has like a little water pump here. If you look back here, there's a little port. And right there it says pump. So looks like we may have a little pump. I'm going to get this set up and then get the seed pods put in there and everything. And we'll have a little checkup on the progress of everything. All right, so we got it downstairs in the kitchen, and then we got the lights on. Now, if that doesn't look like a science experiment, I don't know what is. Look at this thing. So you can actually turn the lights on and off here, just like that. And then it has a reminder to add water and plant food. So we're gonna go ahead and add water for the first time. And it's really simple to do. First, you just remove this here. Then it's got its little fill line, you can see right there. So we're just gonna take this container and then fill it to there. It's just about perfect. Take this lid, and this is actually where the pods go. So again, with this kit, there was 6 different pods. Right here we have. After that's all in there, next thing you're gonna do is, according to the instructions, you add 2 caps of this for 6 pods, and you do that right when you first start the seedlings and then every 2 weeks after that. So let's do that. 2 caps. Now, when you first start these seedlings, they come with these little caps. So basically what you're going to want to do is put those over each one, and that's going to give them a little more humidity and heat, kind of like a greenhouse effect for them to start off. So that's going to help them grow. Bam, just like that. One thing this machine has, and it's going to really help circulate everything, is actually a built-in pump. So there's a plug in the back, and basically all you do is you take this, plug it in there, and just like that, you can hear it running. The lights are on. We have the little capsules over the seedlings, or what are soon to be seedlings, and it's doing its programming. So what's neat about this is it's all completely automated, really. So once the plants get taller, you can raise this up all the way to its max height of about 12 inches, or lower it down just like that for when they're small little seedlings. It's got the water pump in there that circulates everything, keeps the roots moving, and then the fertilizer that we dropped in will be evenly distributed. It's got this little fill line here, and it even reminds you when it's time to add plant food and when the water is low. So this really is kind of about as foolproof as you can get for simple indoor gardening stuff like this. So what we're gonna do is call it good for now. We're gonna put it up against the wall, let it do its thing for a few weeks, and then we'll be back with an update. All right, so that's gonna do it for this one. Until next time, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for lots more videos just like this. Peace.